Hi children, my name is Bhagyalata, PGT Social from Gaudidutti. Today we are going to learn about the new topic. In the part of the democratic and nationalist revolution, 17th, 18th and 19th centuries. And today we are going to learn about the American Revolution, which was happened in the year of 1774 CE. After the invention of America by Columbus in the year of 1492, England and other European countries had established its colonies on the eastern coast of North America. 13 states had become colonies of the British. Most of the people of England who wanted for free from England occupied the colonies in North America to cultivate lands, run small workshops and conducting trade. The English Parliament making laws for the American states. The English Parliament often passed the laws which are favored English traders and factories rather than American people of the colonies. The American colonies therefore raised the slogan, that is no taxation without representation. And many prominent Americans like Tom Paine and Thomas Jefferson, they are actively campaigning for political equality and freedom of thought for all people. In 1774, representatives from 12 colonies met at Congress at Philadelphia. What is a Congress? A Congress is a formal meeting, discussion between members of a group. 12 colonies representatives met a Congress to protest against British. They requested King George III to restore their previous rights, but he refused to do so. The Second Congress also tried to find peaceful solution, and they appealed to the king not to impose the taxes without their permission. George Washington to be the chief of the armed forces of the colonies. The king saw this is an act of rebellion and he declared war in the year of 1775 CE. The American colonies finally won the war in the year of 1781, Common Era, and it is that finally the American War of Independence ended after the British signed the Treaty of Paris. In the year of 1783 CE. The Declaration of American Independence. The Declaration of American Independence was adopted on 4th July 1776 during the Third Congress at Philadelphia. Thomas Jefferson was the prime author and principal of this declaration. He declared that all men are created by the God with certain rights including life, liberty and happiness. Finally, the American War of Independence ended after British signed the Treaty of Paris in the year of 1783 CE and recognized the independence of 13 colonies.